kutagira amakuru bikaba ikibazo kurushaho, kuba kure y'amakuru nabyo bikaba ikindi kibazo. Kugeza uyu munsi ntibikiri ikibazo kuba uri kure y'amakuru, ahubwo ikibazo ni ukuba utazi aho wakura amakuru. Nshuti TV show niyo mpamvu ihari kugira ngo ikugezeho amakuru atandukanye ku myanya y'akazi ahantu hatandukanye, ibyegeranyo biza ku gihe, byuzuye ubusesenguzi buhambaye ndetse n'ikoranabuhanga. Byose birihuta. Dukurikire kuri Nshuti TV show, YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter n'ahandi hose. Hose tubana nawe umunsi ku munsi, ukabasha kugerwaho n'amakuru ameze neza kandi ajyanye n'igihe ku myanya y'akazi ahantu hatandukanye. Byose umurimo ni wo wa mbere mu buzima. Ubundi ni gute twisanze aha hantu?
Link people with friends.
Garuka ku mwanya w'akazi uri muri One Eco Funds. Ni umwanya ufite witwa Rwanda Regional Leads. Ni umukozi wa Rwanda Regional Leads, niyo title of jobs. Rwanda Regional Leads, One Eco Fund, founded in 2006. One Eco Fund supplies 1 million for smallholder farmers with the agriculture service they need to make the farms variety and more productive. Our 8,000 teams is drawn from deserved background and professional with operations across 6 core countries in Africa. We make farmers more productive. About One Eco Funds, we make farmers more prosperous by providing quality farm supplies on credit derived within the walking distance of the farmers' homes and agriculture training to improve the harvest. On average, the farmers we serve harvest 15% more food after working with One Eco Funds. Yes. About the role and responsibilities of Rwanda Regional Leads. Rwanda Regional Leads will be secular members in supporting South Region field operation executions. Will be based in Huye District. Serve will report to Deputy Executive Leads. The Rwanda Regional Leads is responsible for regional performance and manage operation district coordinators. Regional Leads keeping region focused on the growing of making more farmers more prosperous, and we rely on them breed strong staff and strong process through innovation, new ideas for teams developing and impact executions. This role is responsible for oversight of 1.5 billion, the current credit. This role will directly manage all the DC in regions and will indirectly manage all AFDS in the region. It managed the current credit worth $1.5 up to $3. Responsibilities: manage field term performance in the region, manage field term staff grown in the region, own the executions and follow of all HQ strategies in their respective regions, oversees operation in meetings on all the field regions, manage the process of disciplinary actions in region in their respective regions. Career ground development: we have a strong culture for constant learning and we invest in developing our people. You will weekly check in with your manager, access to mentor and training program, and regular feedback on the performance. We hold career review our every 6 months and set aside time to discuss your aspirations and career goals. You will have the opportunities to shape a growing organization and build awarding long-term careers. Qualifications for applying needed for applicant on this job of Rwanda Regional Leads. Across roles, those are general qualifications we look for. This role specifically, you will have university degree in business administration, management, or related field. Term and performance management skills, strong communication and interpersonal skills, field operation, maintaining criteria path and quick thinking, problem solving, conflict management skills, stakeholder management skills, proficiency in data analysis, inspiration and ability to connect a task to program missions, monitoring and team development skills, proficient and microoffice, including Excel or any other platform, in complex functions, preferred state date as soon as possible, job location, Huye, Rwanda in Southern province, benefit health insurance, paid time of eligibility. This is the role of open citizens to permanent residents of Rwanda. The job for application is www.grmh.c/.c36808 ID1ES. The deadline is 31 July 2024. So thank you for watching this video. We hope to see you in next job advertise.